Hello friends, welcome to my channel Astro Kannadiga English. Yes friends, this is the Astro Kannadiga English channel. I am going to explain you about this poem in a English language. If you are coming first to my channel, please watch my channel and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. And if you subscribe to my channel, and you will get a first notification, thereby you can watch the videos fastly than any other. So I hope you like and share as well as subscribe to my videos on my channel. Come on, let us know about this palm. You see this palm, we see two hands. They sent two hands. Firstly we shall see the right hand. See here, the first finger you see here. Yes, Jupiter finger is less, and whereas the sun finger is more. So this indicates that she is an adventurous nature having lady. And here you see short little finger makes this person very shy. Even though the edition is good, they won't ready to say it in front of the masses or people. You can see, you see here, there is a fish symbol, like is there very big fish symbol like there? Yes, of course. You see, it is looks like a big fish. So this is a very good symbol on the Jupiter mount. And if this person is very good enough, and whatever the difficult situation which comes arise, and he will handle it very nice manner. So this is what is the ability. So next one we shall come to know about Saturn mount. See Saturn mount, here zodiacal Bhagya Rekha coming out, and here there is a, yes, there is a cross sign. It looks like a cross sign. Yes, but here in the cross sign is not good in the Saturn mount. Why? Because it will enhance the Saturnian qualities. What are the Saturnian qualities? Means Saturn is always we can think about hard work, and also is feel less satisfied, and also feeling alone, rejected from the family. So such kind of the things usually we seen from the Saturn mount. But here we are having star mark, means those qualities may be going to be rise. So be careful about this, and don't do very hard work, so that you can get tired. So it's better to have a rest between the work, and also have a soft approach with your relatives. Sometimes you are very harsh in your speech, so try to avoid it. That's it. So next one, sun mount. You see sun mount is very good enough. Here sun line is very clear, and this person no doubt we can say this person having very clear mind, and also is having good leadership capabilities. And in the group, in the masses, this person proves to be very intelligent, and also is very much good enough to control the masses or the group. He will become a leader in his group, and sorry, she will become a leader in the group. And she is such a elegant lady, and she will control the group, and she may be become the captain also. Such kind of good qualities we can see in this palm. So next we see the Mercury mount. Here Mercury mount is also very good, and here straight lines are there. So she is having good intelligence and knowledge as well, but due to the short little finger, she won't like to expose her very good decisions in front of the people. You see here in the, yes, moon mount is very good, and here we can find many good markings. Here you see there are a little bit peculiar mark is there here. Yes, like this, it's like a kalasha. So here the person who is having this kind of things, usually a very solid mind person, and he won't get disturbed by the small events in her life. Sorry. So here we can see the, yes, Venus mount is very good enough, and here vertical lines are very fine, and the line going out like this is also good. And here you see some lines are forming the fish symbol. This indicates that she is having interest in any singing, dancing, or music, such kind of things. And then you see here Mars mount is also good enough. So these lines coming out, and yes, from the lifeline some lines are coming out and going to the Mars mount. This indicate that she is having a very aggression, and also sometimes in the childhood life she was suffered lot. So next one, you see this thumb is a very good nature. This first pallage is very good in the length, and she is having very great idea, and she has very good knowledge, and also she is always ready to take action to become a rich. So here the analytical capability is also fine. So she is very good at her work, and also she is she do work herself. Nobody can tell her to work, because she takes the inspiration from herself, and she will work hard to become good in the life. So due to this chain formation on the thumb, below the thumb finger, this is called as the family line. This kind of formations usually tells that this person is very much inclined towards the family. So then you see here the main lines. We want to talk about the main lines. Means this heart line is coming, and it's it traveled till the Saturn mount. So that indicates that she is very much interested in making money. So next one, the headline is also there. Here you see headline is very striatus in nature. So this indicates that she is less emotional and heavy. She is a very practical lady as well. And this line coming out and going to the Jupiter moon, this makes the person very adventurous. And you see there are many progressive lines we can see. So this line, that means to say till 25 to 30 years, she is always progressive. She is making different activities to become to achieve more in her life. She is very active and enthusiastic as well. So next one, after the 35, the lifeline travels very nicely. See like this. This indicates that after 35 she is less, she is not having much struggles in her life. And you see here the line is little bit darkened, so this indicate little bit struggles. Of course the line must be very thin like this. See, this line is very thin, and the darkness should not be there. If it is dark, means then the person going to be a little bit suffer during that period. And there is no heavy suffering. Why? Because there are no lines which are cutting this lifeline. So here we can predict that this person's life will be good. So this is all about the right hand. And come to the left hand. You see left hand, this person having a hotline is up to Saturn mount. Here again it proves that she is very money minded. And here you see this headline is coming out, and it curling towards this moon mount. In her right hand it is straight, and in the left hand it is curved towards the moon mount. So here we can predict that she is emotional in nature. By birth she was emotional, but at present she is not much emotional. So here in the lifeline we can see the fish markings. This indicate that this person is always progressive in nature. And here in the horizontal, these lines indicating that she is a struggle lot in the family, but still she is not feeling bored with the family. She is always ready to support their family. And here you see the Mars Mount a little bit down is there, so it's not advisable to take any land related issues in her life. So this is all about you see here there the triangle formation we can find inside this lifeline. This period is considered as a fruitful around 17 to 20 14 to 21. During that time something good happened in her family. So that is what I told you. And here you see the again in the left hand also short little finger tells that she is very shy in nature. Even though she is having brilliant ideas, she won't like to disclose with the others. So remaining all other mounts are as usual same. So that's yes, of course. Here you see the lines in the sense kankana rekas, we can call it as the what we call bracelet lines. See, this first line is indicating the health, second line indicating this wealth, and third line indicate happiness. So all these lines are very clearly marked. Due to this we may say this lady is very fortunate. I hope you like the video that I made. If you like my videos, please like and also comment at least a single word comment, well, good, nice, like that you have to comment. And thank you very much for watching my video till the end. I hope you like it. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.